Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is loving yourself is most important. Now, why is loving yourself most important? And why would anybody not love himself or herself? Let's talk about this. Loving yourself is important because once you resolve to make an effort to love yourself, make it a habit to love yourself, do things that make you feel good. You are conscious of your energy, of your feelings, of your emotions. That is what is known as loving yourself. Then, once you understand this concept, what happens is you'll make every possible effort. You will just be aware all the time about how you are feeling. You will make a conscious effort to feel good. You will make a conscious effort to stay aligned with your inner source, your spirit, your inner being. That is what you will do all the time. And once you are connected with the inner source, then you have all the answers. You are just sailing downstream because your intuition has all the answers. It will steer you towards the right solutions, and it is like you will always have solutions. Your mind will work in a solution oriented way. Everything will seem easy to you. Where are the problems and what is stress? You won't know that just because of one thing. Now you are so aware of your mind, of your thoughts, of your body, of everything you are doing all the time. Every step you take, you are aware. Every word you speak, you are aware. And you make a conscious effort to remain aware all the time. That is what is known as self-love and self-care. You will always feel worthy, and it is important to love yourself because what you do not have, you will not be able to give to anybody. So nobody will feel inspired or really good in your presence because you do not have anything to give to them. If you are confused, you are low in energy, what do you have to give to others? But alignment, connection with your inner being and spirit brings lot of clarity, and now you have solutions for yourself and you have solutions to give to others also. You don't go about giving solutions, but you will be of help to everybody who comes in contact with you. At least you will be an inspiration for others to follow. And also, love has the highest energy. It is said, love is God and God is love. Love and peace, they are the highest vibrations. And just imagine, when you love yourself, you are aligning with the highest vibration. Just imagine what you are exuding all the time. You are exuding lot of love. You love yourself. And then this is what you have to give to others also. You are very conscious of how you feel at any time. So why would anybody not love himself or herself? Why would we choose not to love ourselves? We don't choose not to love ourselves. The thing is, we are conditioned to keep others first all the time. Now, if you are a divine being, your inner being is the source we talk about. You are the universe we are talking about. Then you are so important. You are limitless. What is the harm in showing love to yourself? Because then you are showing love and appreciation for the divinity that resides within you. It will bring so much of clarity and peace and inner joy all the time. We have been taught about kindness, but we missed out the other part, which is so important. The other part about kindness is that it includes you also. So you must include yourself also. Be kind to others. Be kind to yourself also in thoughts, words and actions. Share with others, but it is no harm if you would like to ask for help. Ask for help. So that is what is kindness. Be kind to yourself also. Be nice to others. Be nice to yourself. But we have been conditioned to think Give to others, keep tolerating others. Sacrifice is so good. Keep sacrificing yourself so that others feel good, and they'll just keep raising their standards and they'll never feel good because they are not conscious of their feelings, and you are putting in so much of effort at the wrong places. So don't go asking for love, be love, and the right people will be attracted towards you. The right situations, the right places, everything will be attracted right where you are. So all you have to do is stay aligned, stay in connection with your inner being, your inner spirit, the divine source that lies within you. Now, how will you know if you are showing self-love or not? Your self-affirmations will be positive all the time. You'll love your own company. You'll never feel bored in your own company. Oh, what should I do? I'm not feeling good. No, these will never be your words because you are enjoying your company. You feel so inspired all the time, always joyful, always peaceful. Peace, joy, love, all these virtues are your daily feelings. And you'll enjoy a lot of well-being because what happens to your mind also happens to your body. So mind is peaceful, it is meditative, connected with the source all the time. This is what is the food for your body and soul. So your body enjoys a lot of well-being. Now when somebody appreciates you, you don't feel unworthy of that appreciation. You'll say thank you for this because you feel, yes, I am worthy of this appreciation. You love yourself. It is nice to appreciate others, but when you are appreciated in return, you accept it with open arms, with an open heart. Yes, I am beautiful. Why not? When you feel beautiful inside, only then can you see beauty in others. Only then can you appreciate other talented people. Only then can you appreciate the beauty in nature. Because the universe, inner universe, everything starts with your own inner universe. And as this inner system, this inner world changes, this change is what you see in your outside world also. So you are the creator of your own experiences. You'll respect yourself. If some place, some person doesn't respect you, you'll not keep going back to those people, those places again and again. Just because you want to explain your stance, just because, oh, let me tell you why I said something, why I did something. No, you respect yourself. That is your inner soul talking, and you will be fearless. You will speak out what you believe in, and you will know when to remain silent, when not to get into an argument, because you also know you should save your life energy. You should not keep throwing off your precious life energy everywhere in the wrong places for the wrong people, explaining everything to them. You need not explain, because if you believe in something, you must be right. That is your intuition, your inner source speaking to you. Whenever you will try something and suppose you do not succeed, you will not judge yourself very hard because you love yourself. You will appreciate yourself that you were fearless enough to try something new. You were open enough to learn something new. So that is how you will always encourage yourself, just like you encourage others. You will not be bored when you are alone. You will enjoy your own company. You will enjoy with yourself. You will enjoy moments of appreciation with yourself. You will always feel light and beautiful and wonderful, because you know how important it is to just leave that old negative baggage behind. Why should you keep carrying that old negative baggage of memories and experiences everywhere you go? So past is deleted, and all you have is this moment where you have the opportunity to create your life. Every moment is now moment. Even the next moment will be a now at that time. So if you take care of your now, you will be taking care of your future also. You do not go begging for love and peace outside. You are love and peace, and this is what you exude. You become the light wherever you go. It is like the energy changes wherever you stand. That is the light, your aura, your life energy that you are giving out. You do not take negative energy from outside. You exuding positive energy because you think good thoughts, good words and good actions. And yes, aligned. Your body, spirit, soul, they are aligned. Mind, body and spirit are always aligned. So you are your authentic self. If you love yourself, you will not fake who you are. You will be yourself. You'll enjoy being yourself, and then the right people will come looking for you. They'll be attracted to you. It is like you become like a magnet and they love to talk to you. They love being with you. They love your energy and they are inspired by your energy. You will not be defined by what others say about you. You are good, oh I am happy today. You are not good, oh I am so sad today because somebody criticized me. That won't bother you. You love yourself, and so you know what you stand for, and you have an inner constitution. You know your purpose in life. You have this clarity about who you are. You have self-knowledge. You will never try to diminish yourself. You will not speak ill about yourself. You will always speak encouraging, uplifting words for yourself and for others. When you love yourself, you will be an inspired being, a satisfied being. Because everything you do is in alignment with who you are. So there is lot of satisfaction inside you. It is like you have lived your life so well. You don't go back to your past. Oh, my childhood was so good. Oh, when I was young, I really enjoyed, and look at my life now. No, you enjoyed your childhood. You enjoyed your college days. You enjoy your old age. It is like every age is right for you. Every age brings something beautiful for you. You are only rediscovering new things, new people and so much about your own self, and it is so beautiful to just keep knowing different facets of your personality. When you love yourself, you will never skip doing what you actually love to do. You will find time for that one thing which you actually love to do, which is food for your soul, because you are a satisfied being. So you will find time for that which satisfies your soul. You will always be with people who make you feel good. You will never go to places and be in the company of people who do not make you feel good, because this is what you have learned. Self-love. Self-love comes first. You would give attention to all that is good around you. Why would you choose to focus on negativities in your life? Because that doesn't make you feel good. The negative emotions are released in your body. They give rise to sickness. Physical sickness, mental sickness, emotional sickness. But now you have spirituality. Your spiritual muscles are strong. You know you should always focus on what makes you feel good. And this will be a conscious effort on your part. You will just choose. I don't like this, I like this. So why not focus on what I love to see, what I love to do, what I love to hear, what I love. You will stay more in the workshop of your imagination, visualization. You will not be perturbed by whatever is. Things you do not like, things not going your way. You will imagine your own beautiful world, and in time, this imagination will be seen as a physical reality in your life. Yes, life is like magic, and it is magic only when you align with magical vibrations. The vibration of love and peace is like magic in your life. It is like magic for your mind. It is like magic for your soul. So align with the vibrations of love and peace, and all you will see is naturally magical things happening in your life. Your life will be like magic. All beautiful things, beautiful places, beautiful opportunities, everything will be attracted in your life. It is that easy. That is why your life is easy. Take the easy way. Everything is downstream. There are no struggles in your life. Only when you have this clarity. Clarity comes with self-love. Because when you love yourself, you are aligned with your intuition, the superpowers that you have. You are aligned with imagination, visualization. And this makes you the limitless being that you already are. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. This is all in this video. I hope you find this video inspiring. Take care, stay safe and keep smiling. You are beautiful as you are. Accept the beauty of your inner soul, the beauty of this life. Life is precious. Be whoever you have ever wanted to become. My love and blessings are always with you. I send you my blessings. May you enjoy a lot of love, peace, abundance, good health, and lot of love in your life. Thank you so much. It's always so beautiful to connect with each one of you. I love you. Namaste.